Hey guys, it's Crazy Rob here. Today we're going to be looking at 8 future trucks and buses you must see, which is a YouTube video. And yeah, just going to be watching through that. Please subscribe and like, and I'll put up more videos like this every day. Thank you, and let's get started.
Number 1.
Well, this is a Mercedes-Benz future truck. Don't know how to have photos of this because it's, as you can see, 2025, but yeah. Quite a nice looking truck. Very big. Let's just see how it goes.
This truck is completely autonomous. It does not need any other systems to operate. So you can drive this truck without...
Well, my question is how they actually drive it if it's 2025 model, because they shouldn't have it out yet, depending. Kind of depends, because some companies have cars out, like the Ferrari F80, you should type that up. It's a super concept car, but that is out next year, but this is 2025, so yeah, I don't know how they drive it. Let's just go back into the video.
Any assistance, any preconditions on any infrastructure whatsoever, it drives by itself, it's autonomous.
It's pretty cool that it drives by itself. It's a good truck.
It's a strange feeling. But after a couple of kilometers, I'm very, very comfortable. I feel very safe. I will feel very secure. And I have to say, it's really fun to drive that truck.
Well, it's probably an electric truck. So, yeah. Well, we'll just see.
Actually, it's very simple, right? You push that button and you lean back and relax. That's all that it's about. Everything else has been done by the system. The system takes over and pilots you to the traffic. It's just great. It's a good feeling.
Number 2.
Before we get started at number 2, it's probably the truck. It's probably one of those things that break by themselves. Like, they just stop when you get too close to something. Probably one of those. Like, let's have a look at number 2.
Walmart's advanced vehicle experience. What you're seeing in the video is the powertrain, which is made up of a microturbine, a battery storage system, and an electric motor. Moving inside the cab through the sliding driver's door, you'll see the key difference that allowed for the more dramatic aero design. The driver sits in the center of the console rather than over to the left. The dash is electronic and therefore customizable to the gauges.
It's a very weird looking truck. Does that actually say Walmart on the steering wheel? Because I've never actually heard of a Walmart brand truck. I've heard of Walmart transport trucks, but they're like Iveco and Mercedes and stuff. But I've never heard of Walmart truck. Let's go back into
performance data that a particular driver wants to monitor. And it's all finished off with a full-size, comfortable sleeper. Moving on to the trailer, not only is this the first time a trailer has been made out of carbon fiber, but it's actually the first time one-piece 53-foot panels of carbon fiber have been manufactured. Looking at the front of the trailer, you can see that the nose is convex, which increases the aerodynamics of the entire package, as well as adding additional cargo space inside the trailer.
My name is Bill Kahn. I'm the manager of Advanced Concepts at Peterbilt Motors.
It kind of looks like they've put two parts together of a truck. Like, the bottom part looks sort of like the front of it looks like a supercar. And the top looks like a very futuristic type of truck. Looks like they're just taking two parts of it, like cut the part in half and then stuck another part underneath it. But that's what I think. So yeah.
And the program director on the WAVE project. We mentioned a little bit about the aerodynamics of the truck, but let me elaborate a little bit farther. You notice with the center console of the driver, we're able to taper the nose of the vehicle in more. Another key feature is that because we have an advanced powertrain, we do not need to have the radiator in front of the vehicle anymore. This relates to a 20% improvement in aerodynamics over Walmart's existing Peterbilt fleet. If you think about
So
it,
it's a pretty
20%
fast
aerodynamic
truck then.
improvement relates directly to a 10% improvement in fuel
Faster
economy.
than usual.
Number 3.
This is the Mercedes-Benz Future Bus. I'm gonna say that is a pretty cool bus though. Before we get into more of the video, just don't forget to comment which was your favorite part, and subscribe and like this video. As you can tell, it has the same type of steering wheel, like the button of the steering wheel, as the truck at the start of the video, I think. Or the second video, I'm not sure. But probably use the same type of things on that bus than they do on the truck. So yeah. The truck is a very cool thing to ride in as well. Just imagine going one of those things. Like I said before, I don't know how they get all these future vehicles. It's supposed to be the future, not this time, but you know, yeah. Don't know how they done it.
Thank you.
Pretty cool bus. Well, that does it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below which was your favorite truck, and just tell me if you see any more videos, if you want me to record them. Okay. Like and subscribe, and comment which was your favorite bus or truck. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.